You guys know the deal. So our farm to table beef company is headed to Roanoke, Texas. We do our pop-up shops in the community where we take our freezer trailer, we take a ton of our beef products. It's all completely frozen. We set up our tents, we live stream online, and then we interact with customers. We sell a lot of beef, and we make a lot of great connections. So we'll be live in Roanoke at Tractor Supply on Saturday from 10 to 2. Come see us. If you can't join us in person, check us out online. I will have a discount code in our live streams where you can participate almost like you're there in person. So thank you very much, guys. Remember to shop great beef at parkercountybeefcompany.com.